Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a 3 GB file in Gmail in 2026. Yeah, it sounds big, but don't worry. It's super easy once you know the steps. First, open Gmail in your browser and click the Compose button to start a new email, just like sending a normal message. Since Gmail has a 25 megabyte limit for attachments, you can't attach a 3 GB file directly. Instead, click the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Now choose Upload in the Google Drive window and select your 3 GB file. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so yeah, be patient. Once the file finishes uploading, select it and click Insert as Drive Link. This way, your recipient can download the file directly from Google Drive. Finally, enter the recipient's email address. Write your message if you want, and click Send. And that's it. Your 3 GB file is now on its way. And that's all you need to know to send large files in Gmail. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips in 2026.